to.
All right, check it out. We're working on the old 2009 Honda Ruckus, and we came across this weird situation. Go ahead and turn the key on. Now watch the taillight. See, now it just comes on and it doesn't stay on. The Ruckus is supposed to come on and stay on. Anyway, we've been having a fuel pump situation, and here, check the fuel pump here. There's the old fuel pump. And it turns out, okay, go ahead and plug those wires in there, Slim Shady. I would have never guessed this was the situation. Turns out, if your wiring harness is bad, like your positive and your negative aren't hooked up, or the pins have pushed themselves out of that deal, check it out now. Look at it, check this out. He's going to turn the key on. Look at that. Pump's working. See it pumping away? Here, go back. There we go.
Well, I guess it's full now.
Oh yeah, it's full now. But anyway, the point of it is the Ruckus absolutely was not running just because of those two wires. So if you're having that same situation where your tail light comes on, shuts off for a second, check the connectors on your fuel pump. That's all we're saying. All right, get back to Ruckusin'.